start falling. Word to my ass shots, I'm so cheeky. Got him trying to palm my ass like young Kiki.
What the fuck? What the fuck is this? That is not funny.
Hallelujah, Sunday morning.
That's the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Babe, I clogged up the toilet. Can you come help me?
Fuck. Oh.
Damn, hold on.
Get that head, then leave. Peace out.
Hey, Club Godzilla, I ain't tricking, I'm just dicking bitches down, head down, pop that pussy to the ground.
Hey, good morning, Kanye.
Shut the fuck up.
What language do they speak in Spain?
Bro, pa, 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 pa.
Bro, blah, blah, blah. Bro, blah, blah. Blah, blah.
If you're watching this, this is a sign. Check his camera roll.
If you don't like the way I talk, then why am I?
Oh, hell no.
Yes, baby. I'm watching. I'm watching. Yes, good job. The fuck was that?
Why these niggas still tapping in they savings? Why these niggas still writing telling statements? Vampire color coupe, me and Stacy. Dash on a bitch, I don't care if niggas hate me. X6 lift, no belt, no safety. Bag on a bitch.
Alright, let's go.
Woo! Gee, what else can go down that motherfucker? A body? Open wide? Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah?
my balls have hair.
What?
My balls have hair, it's not just even peach fuzz.
I didn't, okay. Oh, fuck.
I'm a man now.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now everybody let me.
My shit be queefing. He make that bitch debate.
Look behind you! Look behind you!
Kung mabubuhay ang anak mo, mabubuhay. Kung mamamatay siya, mamamatay. Tanggapin mo! Subukan mo. Subukan mo agawin sa akin ang asawa ko.
What the fuck? That was it. Boy, I had too long, boy. 4 hours to ask anybody that way, ugly that way.
Why is everybody working but you?
When all else fails, I can always masturbate to my... to my imperial policy wrecked feet.
Oh, I need gloves.
you that lives in your head rent free?
Tell me, what you thinking about when you finger popping this pussy? And what means just know I like to get it real kinky. Can't no other bitch put it down like the bitch freaky.
쌍놈의 개새끼야, 씨 보지 먹어라.
I'm a fucking bitch. Fuck you, bitch.
족같은 새끼.
Fuck you, bastard.
AJ! Oh my god, it squeaks! Wait!
know, it squeaks.
How did I do that? Wait! Wait!
Why these niggas still writing telling statements? Me and Pie coulda cooped me and Stacy. Dash on the bitch, I don't care if niggas hate me. X6 lift, no belt, no safety. Bag on the bitch if the bitch wanna chase me. She wanna fuck, but that bitch not a 10.
Okay, you see this thing on your nose? Put it on yours.
Hold on. Did she try to grab the filter? Hold on. Did she try to grab the filter?
Let me get you some hand sanitizer.
Man, no fucking hand sanitizer, man.
Let me get you some hand sanitizer, man.
Man, you got me fucked up, man. Man, come on, man. You out there bad like a motherfucker. Man, that's this white nigga, bro. God damn, cool.
Sanitizer,
Man,
man.
Ain't no damn hand sanitizer.
Get some hand sanitizer. Come on.
What's your favorite video you have of yourself from when you were like really, really high?
Freeze, motherfucker. I see you, bitch. Let's come in. Oh, I need to pee. I just don't know where the bathroom's at. Ooh, bitch, I thought I saw something.
Year 1, year 2, year 3, and we're gonna probably go to year. They're gonna go for dinner. You see the friends as. Do you guys see what my daughter is doing? I just realized. I love it. My daughter has much more of a son.
Next door if you got something to say. I shouldn't hear banging on my walls when it's just you and your sister.
Oh, you don't like me? That's fine.
Wait, hang on, wait.
Ayo, bitch. Ayo, bitch. Suck my dick. Suck my dick.
Okay, class, take out your homework. Yes, Catherine?
Who, me? Stop. It's just that it seems I forgot my homework at home.
All right, just bring it in tomorrow.
You know, it's funny how we forget things. Like how tomorrow you'll forget that I didn't turn in my homework and I'll get full credit again.
No, I won't.
And how when we get older, we'll forget all about our past lives. That was me forgetting my past life.
Do you want late credit or not?
Yes, sir.
Your mama's so stupid.
How stupid is she?
She put makeup on her head to make up her mind.
Your mama's so nasty.
How nasty is she?
She's like a hockey player, only showers after 3 periods.
You
come back here.
Your mama's so nasty.
How nasty is she?
She's like a NASCAR driver. She burns 50 rubbers a day.
Your mama's so ugly.
How ugly is she?
She made
one direction, go in another direction.
That's 2 directions.
Who makes these decisions? But it's a very long.
See, they closing schools. Back in my day, they want to close my school. Your school closed?
Yeah.
No, see, I don't care if it's 30, 40, 50 feet of snow. We walk. We walk. I'm talking about 3, 4, 5, 10 miles to school. Snow up the hill. I'm talking, we had it hard. If I was still in school with you right now, I'd be walking. I wouldn't be worried about school canceling. I'd be walking.
No, a couple hours.
A couple hours? $100? You made that a couple hours? Back in my day, you know what we used to do?
What?
I'm talking about a couple months to make $100. And we had to do manual labor, slaving in the factory.
Oh, can you come fix me a plate? Yes, I'm coming.
You can't make your own plate of food? Like,
I can, but I want my mama to.
see, I went days I won't even eat. I'll be spoiled. That's all that is. When I grew up back in the 40s, I wasn't spoiled. I had to get it myself. I had to pick up scraps.
Hello? Are you sleeping? Jackie!
Jackie, are you sleeping? Guess how many calories are today? 526.
Don't get mad, I'll clean it later. Guys, I'm in therapy, be quiet. Oh my god, I have to shit. Oh my god. Do you want some? Oh wait, did you have peanut butter though? Because I'm really allergic. Andrew! I want my Snuggly Boogie Bear! Hey Jackie, wanna see my new boobs?
Get out.
Kenzie! Yeah? Wanna go to Starbucks and get coffee? Sure. You have the job, bitch. I had the worst fucking day today. No one judged me. I'm going to my room and eating this pizza. Guys, I'm going to the gym. Guys, look at my ass sweat. Look at how hard I worked at the gym. My package just came in.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
That was a good bark.
I thought I saw something. Yours was a 10 out of 10.
Me in your future?
Maybe. Merry Christmas, man.
I don't celebrate Christmas.
Me neither. Christmas.
Yo, how do you do that? How do you do that?
I was born with it, dude. I came out of the womb. I was just straight out of the womb, bro. Merry Christmas. Give you my heart. Stay away.